Hi third graders, Mrs. Fox here. I hope you enjoyed your summer. I have enjoyed my summer so much. We've been boating, camping, and just enjoying the river. I know I may look different right now, but this is how you are going to see me on an everyday basis. But for now, since I'm by myself, I'm going to take this off. Hey there, looking so forward to seeing you all. I've missed you so much. I know that we've had a crazy end of the year, so I just want to say I'm so excited to see you. A couple important things. For our first couple weeks, we're going to really go over safety and protocols of the classroom. Another important thing, please don't forget your mask. The second important thing, know that you are going to be safe and secure in Mrs. Fox's class. And finally, I can't wait to see you, and we're going to rock out a great third grade year. See you soon.